Under the relentless sun, Ramu toils tirelessly in his field, his gaunt frame a testament to hardship. His face etched with worry, he surveys the parched land, a silent prayer for sustenance lingering in his eyes. Sita approaches, her eyes mirroring their shared burden, offering him water and a moment of solace. In the oppressive atmosphere of the moneylender's office, Ramu stands, his anxiety palpable before the Sahukar. The Sahukar's eyes gleam with avarice as he gestures impatiently. The debt is due, Ramu. Now. Ramu pleads desperately. Sahukarji, please, I beg you for more time. The crops have failed this year, I have nothing. In the sterile confines of the hospital, Sita desperately begs the doctor to examine her daughter, who lies motionless on the bed. The doctor remains unmoved, his words cutting through Sita's pleas. I need payment up front. Hospital policy. Ramu watches, his hope fading as the doctor refuses to help. I'm sorry, but without payment, there's nothing I can do.